Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing great. In the following video I wanted to talk to you about Geometry Dash. So I've been playing this lately and I must say that I absolutely love it. And as you already know, this is a paid version, but I found a way that I can use it and I can show you guys also how you can use it on both iOS and Android. So first things first, head over to your settings, scroll down, head over to apps and search for App Store. Okay guys, then scroll down and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you've done this, search for Safari, then go all the way down, go to advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. This is important. After you've done this, open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay guys, so tweakmate.com, and now once you're here, use the search bar and type in geometry, and you will see right here Geometry Dash. Press on it. Now press install and it will start installing this app on your iOS or Android depending on what you are using. And guys, I cannot vouch enough for TweakMate. They've been nothing short of great at providing different tweaked apps which are not available on the App Store. And the best part is that so far none of them have been revoked, which is a huge plus. Okay, so let's give it a few more seconds here. Okay, now press allow, close, go back to your settings, then head over to general, VPN and device management, and you will see right here Geometry Dash. Press on it. Now press install, type in your passcode, and voila guys, now you will have it on your home screen. What you need to do right now is open up the app and then you will be redirected to a page with a list of offers. Make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and complete at least 3 offers. Some of them are apps, some of them are offers, but do make sure that you follow the instructions correctly for each and every one of them. For some, for example, you have to open the apps for at least 30 seconds. After this, just restart your phone and then you should be able to use Geometry Dash on your iOS or Android. Okay guys, I hope this has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys very soon again. Peace.